Mmm. Mmm. Hello everyone. We usually just boil and eat ramen, right? But today I'm gonna show you a super simple stir-fried ramen with mung bean sprouts and eggs. The ingredients are really basic, but once you try it, you will think, wait, this is so good. I need to make this more often. Let's get started. I'm using Shin ramen today. Once your water starts to boil, add the noodles. Also add the dried vegetable mix that comes with the ramen. Today, we are only cooking the noodles about 70% of the way. We'll finish cooking them later when we stir-fry everything together. While the noodles are cooking, heat a pan over medium heat. Add about 1 tablespoon of oil, 1 teaspoon of minced garlic, and 2 tablespoons of chopped green onion. Stir-fry until fragrant. Then crack into eggs and scramble them gently. When the eggs are halfway cooked, toss in a handful of mung bean sprouts if you have. This is optional. Add about 1 tablespoon of soy sauce at this point to season everything. After the noodles have boiled for about 3 minutes, turn off the heat and drain the water. Add the drained noodles into the pan. Sprinkle in about 2/3 of the ramen seasoning packet. If you add the whole thing, it might be too salty. Stir fry everything together for about 30 seconds. Then turn off the heat. And that's it. Your crispy savory stir fry ramen is done. It's delicious on its own, but you can also sprinkle some chopped green onion or parsley on top as a garnish. Sprinkle a little sesame seeds if you like. Mmm, mmm, so good. Thanks to the crunchy mung bean sprouts and the rich soft eggs, this dish feels like an upgraded version of your usual ramen. It's really simple to make and perfect for a quick and easy meal. Thanks for watching. I will see you next time.